Oh yes, it's exhaust day. Ooh, titanium exhaust time. All right, buddy. It's gonna be a good day. All right, let's check this out. Oh man, I'm not normally this excited about parts, but titanium's a whole nother thing. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at these welds. Oh, it's so light. It's a work of art. It's gonna drop a lot of weight, sound good. This is gonna be awesome. Now let's check out these colored tips. I got them with a carbon fiber overlay. So we got the colored titanium, the blued titanium, and carbon fiber. Oh wow. They're so light. It looks so good. Gosh, look at that. Whew. That's gonna look amazing. Let's take a look. Yeah, would say that's gonna be a nice improvement, especially with that blue titanium sticking out through the mesh there. Just a little hint of that when you get down and take a look. Ooh. All right, I'm stoked. Thought I'd get an outside shot for you guys, just so you can see the craftsmanship on these exhaust tips. Good thing there's a lot of mesh in the bumper of the Emira, because this is going to poke through and look awesome. Especially if it gets a nice bluing going here on the exhaust pipes, get a little heat into it.